What's up? Hope you're fine. Now in this video we have a look of XRP Ripple coin. What's the price change occur in the XRP? What's the high price of XRP? And what is the best time to buy, sell or hold XRP? And this video I will show you with a live proof. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so first of all please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Now let's see the live price prediction of XRP Ripple coin. As you can see now on the screen, first of all we look the last 1 hour price prediction of XRP Ripple coin, and after that we decide that it's time to buy, sell or hold XRP Ripple coin. As you can see now on the screen, that is the live price prediction of XRP Ripple coin of the previous 2 hours. If we see the average change of XRP Ripple coin, so the average change is about 10.33% chance occur in the XRP Ripple coin in the previous last 2 hour, and the high price of XRP Ripple coin is about $0.18. $1.08 is the high price of XRP Ripple coin. Friends, if we look the price prediction chart of the XRP Ripple coin, so it is clearly tell us that it's a jumping period of XRP Ripple coin, friends. So it's a big opportunity if you want to buy XRP Ripple coin. So it's time to buy XRP Ripple coin. Now let's see the price prediction of XRP Ripple coin of the last 1 hour. What's the chance goes and the last 1 hour? As you can see here, absolutely good chance occur in the last 1 hour. Absolutely good chance. As you can see now on the chart, it grows up. And if you see the average change of XRP Ripple coin, so the average change is about 8.96% chance occur in the last 1 hour. Absolutely good chance occur in the XRP Ripple coin. Congratulations to all XRP Ripple holders. Friends, high price of XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour is $0.108 is the high price of XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour, friends. So friends, according to the price prediction of last 1 hour, last 2 hour, if you are a holder of XRP Ripple coin, so my suggestion for you, that's hold your XRP Ripple coin, because they take high jump in the future. So wait for their high jump, and if you want to buy XRP Ripple coin in the future, so it's the best time to buy XRP Ripple coin. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.